this is my lovely cousin Shelly in Germany. You know what? She's very young, but she bought her own house and she's amazing. And I love her. And it's when we came here 2 years ago, she just bought this property. She was building it. Now she's made it into her own beautiful crib. And I'm so excited to see it.
Welcome to my crib.
Look, you've got plants inside. When I saw this the last time, she was saying, I don't know what to do with this house. But she has done a lot. So we'll get to see what she has done in her beautiful home here in Germany with the lovely one who welcomed me, Henry. Come on, Henry, say hi to everyone. Henry, say hi. This is Henry. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Henry. Show me your house. Show me your house. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. How she has done her house into a beautiful one. You have done such a wonderful job, my lovely. You know what? Her dad built their first house, her first family home. They built it from scratch and her dad helped her transform this wonderful crib into something very homey. And I'm so excited! Look at this! This is what we call... I love the archway. Yes, we do love the archway. This is my cousin's beautiful home here in Germany. Oh, my hair is... Wow. I remember the first time I came here, they just replaced these windows. And now, this is now a proper crib. So she can have a party and I can have a lady. Come here, Shelly. Let me ask you one thing. What were you excited about building this house? What got you excited doing this project? What was the most difficult part? What was the most challenging?
The most challenging, I think, was that it was also dark and old, and I couldn't imagine how it would look like when it's done.
Now, are you very happy and satisfied with what you've done to it?
Yes, of course.
Definitely. You know what? There are so many facets to this house. When we went up the floor to her bedroom, there was even more, and then we went up and there's another extra room out there which she was thinking to make it her office, right? And her workstation. Because you know what? My dear cousin is also a teacher like me. She loves children. I love cats. And we're gonna see, I always love arches like that. That arch is one of the features of this home. Really, really beautiful. And we talked about earlier when we came to her mom's house, we talked about this plant. Isn't it beautiful, the variegated monstera in here? How nice that some young people here like her made her own house with a beautiful early, what do you call this, investment for life. Really, really good. Look at this. Oh, we gave this to Shelly. The cat. I remember this last Christmas we took this from England to wish her when she moved into this house. Remember that little cat? Oh, I love all the plants you put in here. Shelly, look at this. I'm invading her beautiful kitchen. I love houses with kitchen. I can't wait to do a cooking here one of these days as we tour around. Right, Mami Susie, did you enjoy the beautiful project of your lovely daughter? Tita, buli mo ho? Here we are. Oh, I love this feature with lighting on the stairs. That is really, really nice. You know, it's so good to see it after such a long, long time. And look, oh my word, this is that room which I told you about that she didn't know what to do. She made it into her walk-in wardrobe. I just have a walk-in wardrobe. Now she's got one! I'm so excited. I love people with walk-in wardrobe, tita. Amuning ba yun? Look, I'm invading homes. I love invading homes.
And here the ghost was here upstairs.
Oh! Oh yeah. There's a ghost story here!
Yes.
Oh my god, she's still
I already put some Christian water.
Oh my god. So scary. I love your walk-in wardrobe. I'm so jealous. I love walk-in wardrobes. And look at this! How sweet is this bathroom? How sweet is that little corner there? Oh my word, Shelly, you've done such a lovely work.
And the bathroom was, before it was only this.
Yeah.
And only this part was the bathroom, and we made it bigger.
Oh my goodness, this is such an amazing thing what you have done with it. It's very homey now, isn't it? And of course, I always like to live in a room with a view. And this is Shelly's beautiful bedroom with the Ay, nabiyan ko di magwara-wara. I love your bedroom, Shelly.
And it has a terrace.
And she's got a terrace in her bedroom. Oh my word. Tita Susie, wala ka rin na jealous?
Wala. It's not a house for me.
Pero namiyan siya din magigahig ka.
No, wala pa kang katulog.
Wala ka pa, you haven't slept here. I like it, you know what? I like rooms that's very cozy. And Shelly's going... Oh! I told Tita she's gonna bring me some tanglad later to take home to England. Don't tell them. Look! I love it when you can just touch the ceiling. And look at all of that. I like it when people display the items that really show their character, their own self in displaying who they are. Mama, stay in bed. Maybe Henry is saying that. She's the nut queen. She's Lelli. I always call her Lelli. Dear bed, I love you. How amazing. This is so beautiful, Lelli. I love it. I'm perfect to be here. I'm like a cat. Oh my goodness. Imagine that terrace in the summer. That is just a room to die for. And you know what? What's good thing about here is when the season changes, you get to see through the greenery there. They change from autumn and in winter they become twigs and then more. And we'll explore more of the house as we get to explore this place. I'm so excited! So here we are. So, how long have you lived here now, Lelli?
1.5 years.
1.5 years, yeah, because I would remember when I came here 2 years ago, you were just starting this project, and what an amazing job you've done. I'm so proud of you. This is amazing. Oh, look at this. This is her crib. This is her workstation.
It's not yet finished.
Well, but it doesn't matter. I don't care about that. But the good thing is, you have a workstation, so you've got your laptop, your office work. She's a teacher, you know. She's got so many things to display in here. And perhaps maybe one day she can put a picture of herself and her children in the school that she teaches to remind her. Oh, beautiful. You like teaching children?
I like teaching children, yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it?
You are my children.
Yeah, so these are the little kids. She's not intending to get married yet. Not yet. Beautiful. I loved it. Woo! Oh, what's that? Now we go downstairs again. Here I am. I love touching this. It's amazing. Henry is following me.
Yung bathroom niya wala pa matapos doon.
Yeah, but that's very nice out there already.
Sarado pa yan. See, here's another room, but it's not yet done.
So you're still good. This will be one of the future things that you will do later on. That's exciting, isn't it? Let's go. It's like a start room right now.
Yeah.
But you've got another space in here. But look. But this big room, what sort of thing would you like to do in here?
We're going to make sort of an entrance because I don't have a really big entrance over there. So we make an entrance. We will put up a wall here.
Yeah.
And I can put jackets and shoes in here.
Oh.
And then here have a little bathroom, guest bathroom. And here I have like
a mini cupboard space storage.
Yes.
Yeah, that will be like a pantry almost.
Yeah.
That will be lovely. Nice, isn't it? You know, when you get to see a building and see what you can do with it, I like it how they transform buildings and places. Just like me, I love home designing. And this is incredible. But no, when she saw this, she saw the potential because there's so many features like the wooden ceiling, the back garden, everything. And I said to her, I like a quirky house and this is very quirky. And it is just typical of what I call home. Yay! Mabonga.
Now I'm going to show you outside.
Oh, we're going outside. Oh, I like it when you go. You know what? I love it when your exterior walls or the outside of your house get ceiling. You can hear the rain, and I love it. I wish we had this. Well, our kind of terrace is very different. And then another room where she's going to convert into a storage later on. So many facets to this home. And now my auntie is opening the door to the hidden garden here. She's not very good in opening doors. Here we are. And look. Earlier we were up there. There was Shelly's bedroom there. Let me take you to the terrace first. And you see the neighborhood. Well, earlier I was talking to you about Shelly's bedroom there. How amazing for a young girl to really think of investing in a home. And look, this is where she is. Oh, I'd love to have a terrace and then really entertain my friends in here until the sundown or even in the evening, watching the stars and doing a lot of things. It's amazing. Now let's see what she's done to her garden, because this was a rough patch when she started here before. Woo! I love all of that.
This is going to be down.
Yeah.
So I can make it a little bit bigger.
So you're going to take this out and then extend it here.
This one is going to be done.
So this will be taken off. So this will be like a big extension to this. What's a big garden? Wow. This is the latest one. So she has built a conservatory here where she can have party extension. Perhaps, what were you gonna put in here? What's your plan in here?
I have a lounge in here.
So there'll be lounging chairs, so summer parties in the garden is gonna happen. And look at the garden. This was nothing when we came here before, but look at it now. And look, is this what your dad has done lately?
Yes.
Her dad did this. Tito Christian really loves constructing, but he's been to plenty of places that's constructed through his life, including their own home. It's amazing. Lovely. You've done a lot, Shelly, to this garden. Yeah. I love the word box. Yeah. Are you gonna put a big plant here? A tree?
Yes.
Oh, we have them in our previous home in Luton. You haven't seen that plant yet, but you know where you and Linda stayed with us? We had this in the garden, but we didn't really see that much. So.
And there is my tomato house.
Oh yeah, Ernie, that's like almost like a greenhouse.
We built ourselves, my dad and me.
Oh my god, they built their own greenhouse. That one there, how amazing is that? And then you can have lovely neighborhood around here. It's such a beautiful location, but look at that. That tiny beautiful house has got so much facets to it. And isn't it amazing? And I really, really loved it. Oh my god, Shelly, thank you for giving me a lovely tour in this beautiful house of yours, and I can't wait to see it again when it's totally completed in this beautiful project. But foremost, congratulations for being one inspiring lady who believes in dreams, that it's important to invest in a home because it's a lifetime investment. And I'm so proud of you. Mwah. There we go. Now you see the house without me. Have a look. Henry! Don't be scared. What? Topiary. Topiary, a bird? Hot. See? I'm very good because I'm a gardener. Kung kanami siya. Kanami gani tita kay nga. I like the project. Yeah, well, that's why he said it will be much more. And once it's all done, you made it your home already. It's really, really lovely.
Can you remember when this was?
I look at you.
Yeah, and then your dad
You make
opened
me
it.
blind.
You see?
Why do you have to be so beautiful?
Oh yeah, it was so
all
dark
the
here.
time?
Right
I
now,
know I
it's very,
can't
very. I love the
Be
archway.
with you.
I love the archway.
It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now
I love how you made it into like a ladies' home.
Watching you smile, watching you smile, and I I can't get over you. I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you pass
the
and me
peace
by,
lily.
I fall in love.
Did you overwater
There's
it?
something about
Like
you.
that. Do you like to
I
become a
wish
planting
you were
tattoo?
mine.
Yeah, so later on we get to see how you propagate this plant.
And
So you
if
can
I
sell it.
only
Then
could
tell
be
us
there
how you
to
have
hold you.
learned
It
from
feels
making your
like
own
it's
beautiful.
not
She said you like to have
breathing
plenty of
when
plants inside
you're
your house and it's making it
I'm in love.
amazing.
There's something about you. I wish you were mine.
Ouch.
So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and